Hello everyone, today I'm making a super easy 2-ingredient French toast. Today I'm using milk bread. The thinner the slice, the better this recipe will taste. I'm slicing off the edges and then I'm going to cut my bread into 4 squares. Crack an egg into a bowl and then add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now beat your eggs lightly. It's okay if you still have some white parts in your egg. Place your pan over medium heat, then add a little bit of butter along with some vegetable oil so that your butter doesn't burn. Make sure you have just enough oil and butter so that it covers the surface of your pan. Dip and coat the sides of your bread, then place it into the pan. We're going to shallow fry our French toast. So lift your bread to check on its color. If it's not golden brown, let it fry for a little longer. Then once it's golden brown, flip it to the other side. Fry the other side till it's also golden brown, then remove it and place it over some paper towels to absorb the oil. I like drizzling some maple syrup over my French toast when I eat them. I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick and easy recipe today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week then. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!